You're asked to solve I think I said systems originally, but I meant to say equations using any of the methods that we have worked on. And so technically you could do graphing for any of these really, but for me, I'm going to kind of set them all equal to 0 and then kind of decide from there which ones make the most sense. So for this first one here, I'm going to subtract 3x to get x squared plus 2x minus 35 equals 0. The second one, I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides to get 3x squared minus 16x minus, what is that, 12 equals 0. And then this one, I'm going to subtract 210 from both sides, 2x squared minus 200 equals 0. And so when I'm going through this, personally, when I see that like my a value is 1, I'm going to try factoring with this one first. Again, it may or may not work out. When I see an a value that's not 1, I usually am like, hey, maybe the quadratic formula. And when I see no b value, that's usually when I'm going to use square roots. So for factoring, let's see if it works out. So negative 35x squared and 2x looks like 7x and negative 5x. So factoring is going to work for this. First term, first box. Last term, last box. 7x, negative 5x. And so this all factors to x plus 7 times x minus 5 equals 0. I set each of those equal to 0 and solve to get x equals negative 7 and x equals 5. Second one here, I'm going to use the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared. Oh, this is going to get ugly. Minus 4 times a times c. I'm going to have to probably simplify this because I should have factored the a value out first. Yucky. All over 2a. So this becomes, I guess I couldn't have factored anything out anyway. So here we go. 16 plus or minus 16 squared, which is, I believe, 256, minus 4 times 3 times 12. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 12 is 144. Oh, it's negative 12. My fault. And so this becomes plus 144 because two negatives make a positive, and then all over 6. That then becomes the square root of 400. Uh, 400 ends up being, what is that? 100 and, oh, this is going to be nice and pretty. This is actually just 20. 20 times 20 is 400. Okay, not too bad. I guess I probably could have used a different method, but we'll go ahead and simplify this. So then this becomes 16 plus 20 over 6 and 16 minus 20 over 6. So the first answer is 6. The second answer is negative 4 over 6, which becomes negative 2/3. So yeah, probably could have factored that one, but just showing the quadratic formula is good. And then the square roots here, I'm going to add 200 to both sides, divide by 2, which just gives me 100, square root both sides, which gives me plus or minus 10. Nice simple one to wrap it up. So those are the three different main methods that I like to use: factoring, quadratic formula, and square roots.